Hello everyone, I, Kini Bharadwaj, welcome you to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's take a look at the headlines of the past week. Our soldiers are the pride of the country, Shri Deshraj Sharma. Guru Purnima festival celebrated in Malerkotla and Abohar Vidya Mandirs. Various programs held at Vidya Mandirs under Environment Fortnight. Dr. Naveeb Shekhar in Sri Muksar Sahib and Didi Kusum stay in Hajipur concluded. The students of Barnala Vidya Mandir were administered taking oath during de-addiction campaign. Tilak Ji's birth anniversary celebrated in Ram Darbar, Chandigarh. Rain Day celebrated in Chokra Vidya Mandir. Now, the news in detail. The 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas was celebrated with great enthusiasm in Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Talwada. In the function organized by the Sainik Education Council of Vidya Mandir in village Alira, a floral tribute was paid to Martyr Havaldar Sukhraj Singh at his residence. Addressing the villagers present, Vidya Bharati North Region General Secretary Shri Deshraj Sharma said that our soldiers are the pride of the country. We are proud of our army. Army soldiers are stationed on the borders through land, water and air to protect us and the country from enemies. During the program, a documentary on Operation Vijay of the Kargil War was also shown by the Sainik Educational Council. Subedar Vijay Parmar thanked all the guests. Similar programs were also organized in the schools of 43B Chandigarh, Chokra, Barnala and Mohali, etc. The students performed Guru Pujan on the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima in Malerkotla and Abohar Vidya Mandirs. Malerkotla students applied tilak and tied moli to their teachers, showered flowers and took their blessings by touching their feet. Vidya Mandir teachers told the students about the importance of Guru. Similarly, Guru Purnima was celebrated with great joy in Bhojraj Pyari Dev Fulchand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Abohar. The tiny tots of Shishu Vatika participated in the program with enthusiasm. Paryavaran Pakhwada is celebrated every year in the month of July by Vidya Bharati Punjab. In the same sequence, this year also various programs were organized in all the Vidya Mandirs in which students, teachers and parents participated in large number and pledged to plant a tree care of saplings. News of special programs has been received from Jalalabad, Malerkotla, Talwada and Hoshiarpur Vidya Mandirs. Here's the video of Hoshiarpur Vidya Mandir. On 25th of July, the visit of Vidya Bharati, Punjab General Secretary Dr. Naveeb Shekhar Ji to Vidya Mandirs of Sri Muksar Sahib division was completed. He visited all the three schools of Sri Muksar Sahib and Baryawala Vidya Mandir. During his visit, discussions were held with the members of the management committee and principals for the development of schools. The teachers and students of schools were also guided. On 24th of July, in the prayer of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Barnala, the students were administered the oath during the Bharat Nasha Mukti Abhiyan, in which the students took an oath to not to consume drugs. They were asked to make others aware. Sports were organized during the Shiksha Saptah being celebrated in this Vidya Mandir. The Shiksha Saptah is being celebrated as per the instructions of the Punjab School Education Department. Sports competitions were organized on the third day of the Shiksha Saptah. Bal Gangadhar Tilak's birth anniversary was celebrated on 23rd July in Ram Darbar, Chandigarh Vidya Mandir. On this occasion, the students wrote beautiful slogans and made posters. The students were told about his life. His famous statement is, "Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it." Let's watch the videos.
गुलाब जल नहीं छिड़का होता है और ना ही उस पर गुलाब उगते हैं। जय हिंद। स्वराज्य मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा। जय हिंद। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम तान्या है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। आज बाल गंगाधर तिलक जयंती के उपलक्ष्य पर मैं आपके सामने कुछ लाइनें प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। बाल गंगाधर तिलक एक महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे। उन्हें लोकमान्य तिलक के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। उनका जन्म 23 जुलाई 1856 को महाराष्ट्र में हुआ था। उन्होंने 1905 में स्वदेशी आंदोलन शुरू किया। उनके पिता का नाम गंगाधर तिलक था। उनकी माता का नाम पार्वती बाई गंगाधर था। उन्होंने शिव जयंती और गणेश पूजा के सार्वजनिक उत्सव की शुरुआत की।
In Sri Ilamchand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Chokra, the teachers of Shishu Vatika celebrated Varsha Divas, under which the students brought colorful umbrellas and also made many paper boats. Paper boats were also floated in the water. under the rain ray, teachers explained the importance of rain to the students. The students understood the rain well and enjoyed a lot. Now, one photo, one news. Yellow Day celebrated in Amlo. New Sanskar Kendra inaugurated in Khamano. Bal Sammelan organized in Tapa Vidya Mandir. Suresh Tiwari adopted a girl in DPS Nabha. Meeting of full-time workers concluded in Vidyadham. Fruit tree plantation done in Fagwada Vidya Mandir. Prayers from Fazilka stood first in PSCB's zone level badminton. Information about NCC rules given in Bhiki PSCB. National Mango Day celebrated in Shri Kulwant Rai Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Sector 3043B, Chandik. Let's watch the video. That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.